Hi everybody, it's Wanda. I'm going to try another Dutch pour. See how that goes. I hope it turns out alright. I've had a weird day today. Sometimes not all days go good. You know, just do the best you can. Sometimes I'll get 2 or 3 good ones in a row, and then sometimes I'll get 4 or 5 bad ones in a row. So we'll just see how this goes. I hope you're having a wonderful day. It's been very windy here today. The power's popped off 2 or 3 times, but it keeps coming back on. So far, my colors are Purple Iris by Barrell, magenta, yellow Liquitex Basics, and white Artist Loft. I think I'll put this one down first. I hope these go together okay. And my blow dryer doesn't come undone. It gets unplugged if I even look at it sideways. Too much white, I think. Pretty. I don't know if I can hit that again without messing it up or not. That is so pretty, I don't want to mess with it. But I think it needs more. Maybe if I shift it down, we'll see what happens. It's pretty. I'm going to leave it alone. It may not look like Rinska's, but it's pretty. So, I will have to probably work on my sides a little bit, and I will take the camera down and give you a close-up of it. Let you see what you think. I do think the sides need working on a little bit. They already had some white paint on the sides, so I'm not worried about them not being covered good. But I don't want drippies that look weird either unless they have paint, you know, colors in them that are going over, so. Okie dokie. I'm gonna this was the canvas I had scraped off. So that has a little residue from before on it. But that's okay. So, let me take the camera down, show it to you. So this is how it came out. I'm pretty pleased with it. I mean, I get away from where the light reflects. It could be a little, you know, more flowery looking, but I think it's pretty the way it is. So I think I'm going to leave this one and maybe try doing an 11 by 14. So thank you for watching. I appreciate all my new subscribers. I welcome you, and I hope that you learn something, have fun watching, or you know, don't mind hanging with me a little bit. So thanks for coming on board, and I hope to get comments from new people, the same as people that always comment. So thanks again for watching, and have a wonderful day.